Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use 50 megapixels camera mode on POCO F8 Pro. Open the camera app and you can use the 50 megapixels camera mode only in normal photo mode and in Pro mode. So to use it in photo mode, simply tap on this icon at the top and from the appropriate settings menu choose photo resolution. Tap on it and you will enable 50 megapixels resolution. So how to do it in Pro mode? You will find this option at the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and now you can use Pro mode with 50 megapixels. That's it. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.